Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. Customer asked us to replace their front door, which is something that we do a lot of, especially when we find there's water damage or there's leaks going on. Now, thankfully, this one's under a nice covered porch. They weren't having any of those kind of problems, but they just weren't able to get the door prepped and painted the way they wanted it, and decided that it was time for a new one. So we're working on that process. It is in a stucco face, and I want to show you some of the excitement that we found. We were working on old houses, some of the things that you come across. So on this particular home, we'll start out here with the door jamb. This is their door jamb. This is a full 1.5 inch thick, 1x8. 1x8 on the side, 1x8 on the top, and then 1x8 down the other jamb leg here. So this has been a fun little project to get out. It actually wound up coming out in pieces because the way that it was built, they had nails where they put that frame up first, and as they were laying the block, there are nails sticking out that were in that 2x8 holding it. So they actually were putting the mortar joints around those nails that they placed in, so that those frames were literally held into the cement block that's here. So try to give you a good view of what's going on with that. They just put a piece of wood strip in here. This is the end grain of some cinder block. We've got stucco on the outside, some stripping on the inside that allows a little bit of space for electrical wires to get behind, and then your plaster that they put on the inside wall. So the other thing that was really interesting was down here at the bottom, that 2x8 ran all the way down into the basement and sat on the sill plate, and so that was all the way down on both sides. And so what we did is we have some quick dry cement. We put a block of wood in there so that we wouldn't lose that cement down into the basement. We packed these full of cement and aggregate to make sure that any water that ever got past the door didn't have an easy path in and down and into the basement. So we got that filled up. They had a tapered cement sill that we actually had to take the grinder and flatten this out a little bit to lower this edge so that it was level, because we were really bumping up against a height problem. You know, the doors that we get come in certain sets of sizes, and the size that we had to get in order to do what we needed to do put us right into the ceiling here. And so we chipped out some of the extra mortar that they had put at the top. We took away some at the bottom, and that hopefully is going to give us the space that we need to get our new Craftsman door unit put in. So now that we've got the opening mostly prepped where we need to go, we've got these pieces of OSB on the side. We're going to place them in here like this, which is going to give us a nice surface for which to attach our door to. We're going to ram set those into the cement block, and once that's in, then we can start setting our door in place and plumbing it. We got a little more futzing to do down here with the old, what they did with the hardwood floor to support the inside of the jamb. So we're going to work on adjusting this and get that where it needs to be, and then we can start installing the door. So fun challenges you run into when you're working on older homes. I can't say it's too often that I come across a true, legit 2x8 frame for a door, but that's what they had done. They had put that in, and then had routed the hinges right into the backside of the lumber here. So they just took that 2x8 and put the hinges right on there. So kind of a fun way to do things. So that's what we're working on here today. If we can help you solve a problem, fix some water damage, replace the front door, windows, siding, any of those types of things, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. And our team will be happy to assist you weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Fastest way to reach us, take a picture of your project, send it to us right here on our Facebook page. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, click that bell for the notification icon so you get notified whenever we put new videos out, and you can join along with all the process. Cope Built, your full service construction and renovation company, is the Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Remember, we're done with it. You'll be proud to say it's not just done, it was Cope Built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.